Philly here, and today I'm going to be playing some Overwatch, as you can see. I used to play Overwatch on the PS4, but recently I deleted it off the PS4 for some reason, but I have got a new PC, so I've been playing on mouse and keyboard on Overwatch for a bit of time now, and I just wanted to see what it was like to play Overwatch again. So I re-downloaded it, and here we are. Right, so I'm just gonna jump straight into playing. The first character I'm probably gonna play is Junkrat because he's quite a simple character that you kind of need to know how to play, but you also don't. I'm probably just gonna do one match because I'm pretty sure the sound quality of this video is gonna be absolutely terrible, so I'm gonna have to shout every single word I say. Yeah. My barrier is destroyed. But basically, yeah, Overwatch is a game where you have multiple different teams, well no, two different teams, and then they fight against each other. So I'm loading into their main match now. That was just the lobby I was in there. My dog has greeted me. Hello there, Megan. But this is no limit, so I'm just gonna try and spam to get people to go Junkrat because Junkrat is very, very powerful in groups. Okay, he didn't go Genji. I'm gonna go Genji. Cause why not? Why not? 2 Mercies, 2 Genjis. Oh, this is gonna be funny.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
But yeah, basically, you will hardly be able to hear probably the video or me because it is very quiet. That's what Genji said anyway. But basically, yeah, so they're gonna be coming from, if you can see, let me get up. They're gonna be coming from one sec. They're gonna be coming from those doors right over there, and hopefully I'll be able to get some really good clips this YouTube video. Oh, that's a lot of them. Hopefully I can just
Double, triple.
The battle continues.
Junkrat primed and ready.
I need healing.
But yeah, sorry I'm back. My mum just never mind. But yeah, basically they're gonna be attacking this payload here, and we gotta try and stop it from. You can see at the top middle that it is. You can see at the top middle that it is. Holy flip! That Symmetra's got a lot of turrets. Are they just all Symmetra? I think every single one of them is a Symmetra, and they just place down tons of turrets. That's actually quite smart. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to be trying to defend that payload right there. And hopefully we will be able to stop them from reaching it in 6 minutes. Oh god. We are not winning this game. Look at how many turrets there. Ah, I killed all the turrets. What are you gonna do now, Symmetric? Get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Okay, I survived. Good. I need to heal. Too fast. Heal. Oh, you're kidding me. There's one right there. I'm not very good at Genji, as you can see. So I'm gonna switch to Junkrat. But anyway, now I should be able to take those turrets down very easily. Was that 2 Symmetra walls then? very close, very fast. I think it's bombing time. Uh-oh. I should have dropped her. Damn it.
Takes a licking, keeps on ticking.
Oh my god, they just got a double kill. They just killed every single person on our team. What the hell? Ha, she stepped in my trap. But anyway, sound quality on this video is terrible. Yay, brilliant. But it's what I got to work with, so you guys are just gonna have to get used to it until we can find something better. Dead. Well, I did die. You have 5 minutes to stop it going to the There's only one of them on. Oh no. There's none of them on it. Okay. There's so many. Oh, the turrets, they're everywhere. Look at my screen. Look at how many there are. Oh yes, I'm getting red. And I have my ult. Use it. Yes. Okay, I managed to kill one and the teleporter. Hopefully that did something good. Oh my god, this is so insane. Where's that lady who's on it? Not bad. And they won. Boom. Great. They had 4 Symmetras.
Play of the game.
What is the chance of that? Oh yeah. Let's endorse. Get me that 150 extra XP. It's quicker to just leave and then rejoin. I clicked deathmatch, didn't I? Oh god.
Arriving at Shadowgia.
I want to do some practicing with
身を
them.
捨てても妙理は捨てず
There's just 2 Genjis. Oh no, another character as well. I'm being shot at.
その程度か
Watch out.
Taken the lead.
Flow like water
Can I have some heals? I dashed into a wall. Straight up. Damn it.
Lead loss.
again Judgment.
Okay, so we have found our next match and our next victim.
Traveling to Iconland.
Hopefully we'll win this one.
Prepare your defenses.
We are on no limit.
Select
Yes.
your hero.
I'm gonna try playing McCree. I've never really played him. Oh, no. Nah, I will. I'm gonna try McCree. I've never really liked McCree on console as well. Like, McCree wasn't really one of my favorites, but I think he's actually quite a good character at close combat. I love that. That's and trigger how he moves. And then he's also got a very good accuracy as well. With that. So and the roll and the flashbang as well also ties it together. Because if I can flashbang someone at close range,
It's time to act.
well, Oh, I have a brilliant idea.
From what I can tell.
I'm
You and
gonna
I.
hide next to this spawn point wall, and then as soon as they come out, I'm just gonna flashbang every single one of them. Oh, this is such a good play.
4, 3,
This is going to be brilliant.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend
I'm happy. It wasn't a good plan. Was not a good plan. Was not a good plan. Okay, I'm stupid. I never played in cricket. Okay.
Might be on tilt. Might be, I don't care.
We need a healer. I might go healer. I swear, bro. How do you? Yeah, I'm gonna go healer. Healing time. I have no clue what this character's name is, but I know she is quite overpowered in also the battlefield and the healing
I
point.
cast this forth.
Just because she has this.
Tell me how this feels.
That's just scary. I don't like that.
My will made real.
Where's that healer? Come down. Come down.
I will unmake.
Sombra. 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 Okay.
Down for the count. Gracias.
That was a pretty good rush roll. Wait, what? I thought I killed the Sombra. I thought I killed the Sombra, but she just teleported.
There was a flaw in my approach.
That's one smart Sombra. But anyway, this character is also a healer. The special is quite overpowered. Cracked, you might even say. Where's the payload? Oh god, it's over there. Okay. I don't really like it when Justice reigns from above.
There was a flaw in my approach.
I have no clue how long this recording has been going on for. Orb. Orb, I'm reaching your soul orb. Ah, and that's me dead. Have they broken? I think that, yeah, they've broken past the third gate. Oh, that's not good.
That changes my thinking.
Yes, it does. I might just. I'm just gonna use this
Allow
healing
me to
ball
repair
and,
the damage.
Oh, good. They're reviving humans. Damn it. I use my special then. That laser beam thing that's coming up my hand. You be able to see it here. That giant beam.
There was a flaw in my approach.
There was. I was on low health when I activated. Oh my lord. I hate turrets. And we lost again. Brilliant. I had a brilliant match like a little while ago. I just had wins after wins after wins. I was just loss after loss after loss. God, I can't fucking I'm probably just gonna end this video here though, because this was just a tester to see if it works. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.